Hi, good morning, students. Today, now we are discuss microbes as biofertilizers in our daily activity, in our lifestyle. Increase the pollution. Why? Because usage of chemicals. Okay, biofertilizers organism contain enriched nutrition value in soil. Okay, source of biofertilizers are bacteria, fungi, and cyanobacteria. Okay, first bacteria. Bacteria, like as we are observed, leguminaceae family, like as groundnut. In leguminaceae family, example groundnut. Rhizobium bacteria is present in root nodule. These are root nodule. In this root nodule contain rhizobium bacteria. Right. What is the use of the rhizobium bacteria? This rhizobium bacteria is used to fix the atmospheric nitrogen into root nodule. Okay. This bacteria is converted nitrogen into organic form. Okay, this nitrogen is used to plant nutrition of the plant. The nitrogen is used to nutrition of plant. Okay, another two bacteria, Azotobacterium and Azospirillum. Azotobacteria and Azospirillum. These two bacteria are present in soil. Okay, these two bacteria are fix atmospheric nitrogen into soil. Azotobacter and Azospirillum. These two bacteria are present in the soil. These two bacteria are fixed atmospheric nitrogen into soil. So, increase the soil fertility. Increase the soil fertility. Okay, next. Fungi. This fungi is common symbiotic associate into plants. Common symbiotic associate into plants. The plants are called mycorrhiza. Okay. In fungi, absorption of phosphorus from the soil. Okay. Fungi, symbiotic associate plant. Symbiotic means both together living. That is called symbiotic. Both are beneficial organism. Together living, both are beneficial organism. That is called symbiotic organism. Such type of fungi and plant both are symbiotic. That is called mycorrhiza. In these fungi, absorption of phosphorus from the soil. So, these fungi are used to resistance the root-borne pathogen, resistance to root-borne pathogen, and resistance to the salinity, resistance to the drought condition, right? Overall growth and development of the plant. This fungi is used to overall growth and development of the plant. Used to overall growth and development of the plant. Okay. Next, cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. The cyanobacteria is also called BGA. BGA means blue green algae. The cyanobacteria is autotrophic and aquatic and terrestrial organism. Aquatic or terrestrial organism. Terrestrial. Autotrophic prepare their own food material. Aquatic grow in water, or terrestrial grow in land area. Okay. Aquatic or terrestrial organism. The cyanobacteria is fixed atmospheric nitrogen. Example: Nostoc, Anabaena, and Acylatoria. Cyanobacteria, it is also called blue-green algae. These are cyanobacteria are autotrophic organism. These are aquatic organism or terrestrial organism. These are fixed atmospheric nitrogen into the some specialized cells. Okay. Example: Nostoc, Anabaena, and Acylatoria. Okay. This is cyanobacteria or BGA, blue-green algae. In the cyanobacteria or blue-green algae, some special type of cells are present. These special type of cells are used to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, that special type of cells are called heterocysts. Okay, these are special type of cells. These special type of cells are called heterocysts. The heterocysts are used to fix the nitrogen. Some special type of cells are present. That special type of cells are called heterocysts. These heterocysts are used to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Example: Nostoc, Anabaena, and Acylatoria. Okay, in paddy field, survive. Importance of biofertilizer. Survive. Importance of biofertilizer. Okay. And BGA, blue green cyanobacteria is added organic substance. These are used to added into the soil. These are used to increase the soil fertility. Increase soil fertility. Okay, blue-green algae and organic added organic substance in soil. This is used to increase the soil fertility. This is cyanobacteria. These are microbes as biofertilizers.